Have you ever walked into a room and felt an overwhelming sense of familiarity, as if you had been there before? It's a strange feeling, almost like a glitch in the matrix where reality seems to fold in on itself. Perhaps you were engaged in a conversation, and the words seem to echo a forgotten script. The sensation is so vivid that it feels like you're reliving a moment from your past, even though you know it's happening for the first time. This uncanny sensation, known as déjà vu, has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. It's a phenomenon that transcends cultures and ages, making it a universal human experience. It's a fleeting trick of the mind, a momentary disruption in our perception of reality. For a brief moment, our brain's intricate network of neurons misfires, creating a sense of familiarity where there should be none. Déjà vu, French for already seen, is a common human experience. Studies suggest that up to 70% of people have experienced this eerie feeling at least once in their lives. It suggests a potential flaw in the intricate workings of our brains, a brief disconnect between perception and memory. This disconnect might be due to a delay in the brain's processing of information, causing a momentary overlap between the present and the past. But what does science have to say about this mysterious phenomenon? Researchers have proposed various theories, ranging from neurological explanations to psychological interpretations. Can we unravel the threads of perception and memory to understand what happens in our brains when reality seems to repeat itself? By studying brain activity and memory processes, scientists hope to uncover the secrets behind déjà vu, shedding light on this fascinating and perplexing experience. Déjà vu is often accompanied by a strange feeling of premonition, a sense that we know what will happen next. This sensation can be incredibly powerful, almost as if we are momentarily stepping outside of time and peering into the future. It's a feeling that can catch us off guard, making us question the nature of our reality and our perception of time. This feeling can be so vivid that it sends shivers down our spines. The intensity of the experience can vary, but for some it can be almost overwhelming, leaving a lasting impression that lingers long after the moment has passed. We might feel like we are reliving a past experience even though we know this to be impossible. This paradoxical sensation can make us feel as though we are caught in a loop, experiencing a moment that has already happened, yet knowing it is happening for the first time. It's a sudden and fleeting experience, disappearing as quickly as it arrives. One moment we are engulfed in the sensation, and the next it slips away, leaving us to ponder its meaning and origin. While the experience can be unsettling, it's important to remember that déjà vu is not a sign of anything sinister. It is a common occurrence that many people experience, and it does not indicate any underlying health issues or psychological problems. It's a normal neurological phenomenon that most people will experience at some point in their lives. The universality of déjà vu suggests that it is a fundamental aspect of human cognition, reflecting the complex and intricate workings of our brains. Scientists believe that understanding déjà vu could offer valuable insights into the workings of human memory and perception. By studying this phenomenon, researchers hope to uncover the mechanisms behind memory formation and retrieval, shedding light on how our brains construct and interpret our experiences. This knowledge could have far-reaching implications, potentially leading to advancements in the treatment of memory-related disorders and enhancing our understanding of the human mind. One of the most prominent theories about déjà vu centers around the way our brains process sensory information. Imagine your brain as a complex machine, constantly bombarded with information from your senses. Sight, sound, smell, taste, touch. All these senses send signals to the brain, where they are interpreted and processed. According to the sensory delay theory, déjà vu might occur when there's a slight lag in the processing of these signals. This lag could create a discrepancy in perception, where the brain processes the same information twice. The second processing, slightly delayed, might be misinterpreted as a separate, earlier experience, leading to the feeling of familiarity. Another theory suggests that déjà vu might stem from the way our brains organize and store memories. Our memories are not perfect recordings of the past, they are reconstructed each time we recall them. This process of reconstruction is susceptible to errors and distortions. Imagine your memories as a vast library with countless books representing different experiences. Sometimes similar experiences might be stored in close proximity within this library. When you encounter a new situation that shares similarities with a past experience, your brain might accidentally activate the neural pathways associated with the older memory. This overlap in activation could lead to a feeling of familiarity, even if the current situation is entirely new. The memory palace, cross-referencing, and recognition. Our brains are incredibly efficient at recognizing patterns and making connections. We constantly cross-reference new information with our existing knowledge base, looking for similarities and discrepancies. This process of cross-referencing helps us make sense of the world around us. Some scientists believe that déjà vu might be a byproduct of this constant cross-referencing. When we encounter a new situation, our brains might scan our memories for similar experiences. Even a fleeting resemblance, a minor detail that triggers a connection, could lead to a feeling of recognition. This recognition, misattributed to a past experience, might manifest as déjà vu. A neurological perspective, déjà vu and epilepsy. While most instances of déjà vu are perfectly normal, there is a link between déjà vu and certain neurological conditions, particularly temporal lobe epilepsy. The temporal lobe of the brain plays a crucial role in memory and emotional processing. In individuals with temporal lobe epilepsy, abnormal electrical activity in the brain can disrupt normal neurological function. This disruption can manifest in various ways, including seizures. Interestingly, déjà vu is often reported as an aura, a warning sign preceding a temporal lobe seizure. Beyond familiarity, the emotional aspect. While the experience of déjà vu is often described as a feeling of familiarity, it's frequently accompanied by other emotions. Some people report feeling a sense of awe or wonder, while others might feel anxious or disoriented. The emotional response to déjà vu likely varies depending on the individual and the specific circumstances. For some, it might be a fleeting curiosity easily dismissed. For others, it might trigger a deeper contemplation of memory, perception, and the nature of reality. Déjà vu in the lab. Studying the elusive phenomenon. Studying déjà vu in a laboratory setting presents a unique challenge. Its unpredictable and fleeting nature makes it difficult to induce and observe in a controlled environment. However, researchers have devised ingenious methods to study this elusive phenomenon. One approach involves using virtual reality to create immersive environments that can be manipulated to trigger feelings of familiarity. By monitoring brain activity during these virtual reality experiences, researchers can gain insights into the neural processes underlying déjà vu. Your déjà vu stories, share your experiences. Déjà vu is a universal human experience, and yet each instance is uniquely personal. Have you ever had a particularly vivid or memorable déjà vu experience? Perhaps you felt a sense of premonition, or maybe it left you with lingering questions about the nature of reality. We invite you to share your déjà vu stories in the comments below. Your experiences, no matter how strange or mundane, could contribute to our understanding of this fascinating phenomenon. The mystery remains a final thought. Despite decades of research, the phenomenon of déjà vu remains shrouded in mystery. While we have made significant strides in understanding the workings of the human brain, the precise mechanisms underlying this fleeting trick of the mind continue to elude us. Perhaps, in its very elusiveness, déjà vu holds a certain allure. It serves as a reminder of the vastness of the universe within our skulls, a universe ripe for exploration and discovery. The universe within, exploring the brain's enigmas. The study of déjà vu offers a glimpse into the intricate workings of the human brain, a testament to its complexity and its capacity for both wonder and error. Déjà vu, that eerie feeling of having experienced a moment before, is a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists and laypeople alike for centuries. It is a small window into the vast and often mysterious landscape of our minds, where memories, perceptions, and emotions intertwine in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we continue to explore the universe within, we can expect to uncover even more fascinating mysteries, reminding us that the journey of scientific discovery is just as captivating as the destination. The brain, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, is a frontier that challenges our understanding and pushes the boundaries of what we know about ourselves. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds a piece to the puzzle, revealing the intricate tapestry of our cognitive functions and emotional experiences. Each new insight into the brain's inner workings brings us one step closer to unraveling the enigmas of consciousness, perception, and the very essence of what it means to be human. Consciousness, that elusive state of being aware and able to think, is one of the greatest mysteries of all. How do our brains generate the rich tapestry of thoughts, feelings, and experiences that make up our inner lives? Understanding perception, the process by which we interpret and make sense of the world around us, is equally crucial. It is through perception that we navigate our environment, form relationships, and build our understanding of reality. And perhaps in those fleeting moments of déjà vu, we catch a glimpse of the universe unfolding within us, a universe as vast and mysterious as the cosmos itself. These moments remind us that our brains are not just organs of thought and memory, but also gateways to a deeper understanding of the universe. They invite us to ponder the connections between our inner worlds and the outer cosmos, suggesting that the mysteries of the brain are, in many ways, reflections of the mysteries of the universe. As we delve deeper into the study of the brain, we may find that the answers to our most profound questions lie not in the stars, but within ourselves. Thank you very much for staying until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the news and curiosities we share here. Let's continue unraveling the secrets together on this exciting journey. Until the next video.